Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Chai Diaries exclusively on Rajshri Food. Today, let's move down the south of India and make a specialty, Murukku. The main ingredient required for the Murukku is of course rice flour. To this, I'll be adding in Besan or gram flour. And with this, I also have some Chana dal which has been toasted and ground into a powder, something like this. Well, if you do not have this, what you can do is toast besan or gram flour. I want this Murukku to have a nice and subtle flavor of butter. For that, I'm adding in butter. We need to mix this with our fingers and convert this into a breadcrumb-like texture. Time to season this with some salt. And along with this, some more flavors. To begin with, Asafoetida or hing. This is followed by Cumin Seeds, along with white Sesame Seeds. Let's mix this well. Once all of this is mixed well, we need to make a dough using water. Do not add in all the water at the same time. You may split it in 2 or 3 parts. Our dough for the Murukku is done and ready. Let's turn the flame on and heat a kadhai or a deep vessel. The next step is to divide this dough into 2 portions and transfer this into a Murukku mold. The Murukku mold for the uninitiated is also known as a Chakli press in other parts of the country. This has a plate through which you can press the Murukku down. Let's first move that in and apply a little water on the sides of the mold. This will help in pushing the dough down easily. Let's push the dough down and cover this with the remaining part of the mold. Let's secure this or lock this well. And the next step is to turn this around like so and press the Murukku. The oil is heated and ready. Let's press the Murukku straight in oil. Once these are crisp, golden fry, let's transfer these on an absorbent tissue paper. Let's continue frying the rest. With this, our crisp, crunchy and buttery Murukku is done and ready. Do not forget to like and share the video, subscribe to Rajshri Food and enjoy this with a cup of green tea.